So many days. Happy hour now. There.
Okay, so good morning to all. Welcome to Max class. How are you all today?
I am fine, thank you. I am fine,
So,
thank you.
I hope, yes.
Happy hour now.
Listen. Now our max period, right? So last class we discussed about the measurement of length. And we studied how to measure the length of the things. What are the standard units to measure the things? All these things we studied, isn't it? And we had completed our workbook exercises also. Everyone completed?
Yes.
Okay. So today I will send you the pages in the workbook exercises. Those who did not complete, you can complete it today. Today I will send it. Okay. And today we are going to study how to measure the weight of the things. Okay. How to measure the weight. Okay. So measuring length, we are using some standard units.
Ma'am,
that
I have
are
2.88 to 28.8 weight.
Weight. Yes. 28.8 what it is. We will tell along with the number one unit also.
My weight.
My weight, when we are telling our weight, no, what you will tell?
Kg.
Your weight. Yes, it is kg. What is kg? Kilogram. Yes.
Kilogram.
So like this measuring length, here measuring weight also, some standard units are there. Okay, so with the standard units only, we will get the correct weight of the things. So the standard units for measuring weight are gram and kilogram. We are using gram and kilogram to measure the weight of the things. Okay. What are the standard units we are using? Gram and kilogram. Gram and kilogram. And for the smaller measurements, we will use milligram. If the weight of the thing is very low, that is lighter things, we will use milligram. Okay. So milligram.
Kilogram.
Yes. If it is a heavier objects, heavier things, we will use kilogram. And if it is a medium one, milligrams and kilograms, middle, this gram is coming. Okay. So how it is going? The smaller weights we are using milligram, after that gram, after that kilogram. Okay. So all these units we will write as a short form also. So milligram, do you know how to write in short form? Milligram.
mg.
Mg. Okay. Milligram, we will write mg. What about gram? Gram. G only. Gram, we will write only the first letter G. Small letter G. Okay. Small letter G. What about kilogram?
Kg.
Kilogram, it is kg. Okay. Kg. Kg means kilogram. So milligram, gram and kilogram. So these units we will use to measure the weight of the things. Okay, children, have you all understand? Yes?
Yes.
And do you know for measuring our weight, what object or what instrument we will use for weighing our weight? Measuring our weight. Weighing machine will be there, isn't it? Weighing machine.
There's a weight.
Checking weight one machine is there. So using that we are checking our weight. What about the fruits and all vegetables and all when we are going to purchase?
Another machine.
In the shop, have you seen some other machines are there for checking the weight?
Yes.
Yes. What is the name of that machine? Do you know that?
Ma'am.
Earlier we were used the balance, that is simple balance. I'll show you the picture of that. Earlier in the shops and all, we can see these type of thing. This is known as simple balance. What is the name of this machine? It is simple
balance machine.
Yes.
When we buy fish,
Yes.
the weight of
In the yes.
they will look.
Yes. Have you seen like this machine there?
Yes.
Simple balance. This is called simple balance. What is the name of this one?
Heavy
Simple balance. So you can see here. Here you can see two pans are there, isn't it? Two pans are there. So one is coming down and the other is going up. What is the reason? What is the reason?
Just one is giving weight.
Because this pan is containing more weight, isn't it?
Heavy is money.
This is a heavy thing. That is why it is coming down. And this one is a lighter one. That's why it is going up. So when we are checking using the simple balance, the heavier part will come down. Which one is heavy? That pan will come down and the other pan will goes up. So do you know when it will be in the equal level, equal position? Both the pans will be equal. At what time it will be?
Somebody is scribbling on the board. Same weight.
Yes. In both the pans, if it is same weight, they will stand equally. Okay. Yes? Yes. So now I will show you a video. Yes. Now all of you understand what are the units we are using to measure the weight of the things, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So what are the standard units? What are the standard units we are going to measure the weight of the things? Gram and kilogram. Okay. Gram and kilogram we are using. And what are the instrument? What instrument we will use to measure? We will use the simple balance.
Simple balance.
Isn't it? The simple balance we will use to measure the earlier use. And have you seen that video? Nowadays, we can't see these type of simple balance in the shops, isn't it? Like this type of things we can't see in our shops. Now the latest technology, this like this. You can see these types of balances are there at the shops. Yes. So it will come automatically here. What is the weight of the object? So whatever we are keeping here, it is showing the weight of the object. So here you can see feather is there. The feather's weight is 0.18. 0.18 gram it is.
80.
Yes. Okay.
Can only see the not the technology thing in the fishing.
Yes. Yes.
I can see.
So understand.
Mine come.
So these are the things we are. Yes.
Man, that's fish weight.
What, man?
That's fish weight. And class time is weight.
Weight.
Class time is up. Class time.
So listen. So just now we studied that in the video. From the video, you can understand that how much gram is 1 kilogram. How much gram it is 1 kilogram? 1000 gram means 1 kilogram. 1000 gram is 1 kilogram. So when we are going to purchase
kilogram.
Yes, correct. So when you are going to purchase items, your parents will tell that is 1 kilogram of sugar. They need 1 kilogram of sugar. So what the shopkeeper will give? Shopkeeper will take a cover and he will put some sugar there and he will check it in the balance. Using the balance he is measuring, right? So 1 kilogram, how much gram it will be? 1000 gram. Okay, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, so all of you please take your textbook. Textbook is there. Page number 48. Part 2. Page number 48.
Take it, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, which book?
textbook, my dear.
Okay, ma'am. Page number.
Page number 38.
Which book, ma'am?
Page number 38.
Textbook.
Your textbook, textbook. Your textbook.
Page
And
number?
page number 48. And before checking that, you please listen. When we can see the balance, it is like this, right? Our simple balance, it is like this.
Page number?
Page number 48. Page number 48. You here in the simple balance, you can see two pans are there, and one pan is coming down and the other one is going up. What is the reason? Just now we discussed about that. Huh? In this pan, it is containing more weight.
Right.
That no need to write, listen. So this part will be heavier, right? Yes. The pan which comes down, it is a heavier thing is there. And what about the other one? The things are there. In this pan, it is lighter objects are there. Isn't it? Lighter. So which part is coming down? That is a heavier thing. The other one is a lighter thing. Okay. So in your textbook, page number 48, you can see many pictures are there. Yes or no? Many pictures. So first picture, what is the first picture? You can see a simple balance. In the one side, you can see 3 balls are there. And in the other pan, there is only one ball. Okay. So how can we write it down?
Can you write?
No, it is already answer is there. Huh? Yes.
I am now see the board.
You are facing network issue, Alvin. Your video is not proper. So you are facing network issue. Yes, Aman also. So I'm not writing anything here. Now please look at the textbook. Page number 48. The first picture, 3 balls are dash than
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
I'm not sharing. Please listen. 3 balls are dash than 1 ball. So what we can write there? 3 balls pan is coming down, right? It is a heavier thing. That is why it is coming down. So what we should write there? It is already, answer is already written there. Heavier. Right. What is the spelling of heavier? H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier. Okay. Heavier. Yes.
Heavier.
So everyone understand what is heavier? More weight. Yes. Heavier means the weight is more. Lighter. What is the opposite of heavier? Lighter.
Lighter.
Okay. What is the spelling of lighter? L-I-G-H-T-E-R. Okay. So now look at the next picture. You can see a cabbage and a potato in the balance. Have you seen the second picture? A cabbage and a potato, right? So which pan is coming down? Which one is heavier there? Which pan is heavier? Is it cabbage or potato? Which one is heavier? Cabbage is heavier. Yes, cabbage is heavier. So you can see the picture. The cabbage, where is the pan? The cabbage pan is coming down. That means it is heavier. So what we have to write there? The cabbage is dash than the potato. So what is the answer there? The cabbage is
Heavier.
Heavier. Write the answer there. Please write the answer there. The cabbage is heavier. Please write the spelling. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier. Please write the spelling there. Heavier.
Can you write board?
No, I'm not writing. It is there already there. The spelling is there in the textbook itself. Please copy from there. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier. Devarsh, are you writing Devarsh? Yes or no? Devarsh ke Sahin?
And the spelling will be which page?
Page number 48.
Ma'am,
Yes.
heavy spelling.
Heavier spelling is this one. H-E-A-V. Textbook, page number 48.
Lotus are dash, then 2 roses.
Your textbook, page number 48. And you have to write in the second picture, the cabbage is heavier. The spelling, look at the spelling from here. H-E-A-V-I-E-R, heavier. The cabbage is heavier than the potato. Next one, all of you listen to the next question. There you can see the lotus and the rose, isn't it? How many lotuses are there?
2.
Two lotuses
Two
are there.
lotus.
And
Is heavier.
2 roses. Yes. So you can see the lotus fan is heavier. That's why it is going down, right? The lotus fan is heavier. That's why it is going down. And the rose fan is going up, upwards. So we can write 2 lotuses are dash than 2 roses. 2 lotuses are heavier. So again, you can write the answer there, heavier. H-E-A-V-I-E-R, heavier. Rukma, are you writing? Yes? Unmute and tell. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you can see there one more picture. Pumpkins and capsicum is there, right? A pumpkin and a capsicum. So here, first one it is written. The capsicum is lighter. Yes, the first one in the question. When you are getting a question, you have to check the first one, what is written there. So in this question, you can see the capsicum is dash than the pumpkin. So capsicum is heavier or lighter will come here? Lighter. Yes. So please write this answer, lighter spelling L-I-G-H-T-E-R. Lighter.
This is right.
Right. You have to write. Which book?
Notebook.
So till this much time, what are you telling, my dears? Who is asking that?
Textbook.
Able.
Huh?
Able. CB.
Able.
Lot of spelling.
Huh? Lighter spelling L-I-G-H-T-E-R. L-I-G-H-T-E-R. Lighter. Wait. This much only here in this page. And you can take the next page. Please take the next page, page number 49. This one. You can see it in the on the screen. You can see page number 49. Next page. Okay. And down. What?
11 o'clock. Class time up.
Ah, yes. Okay, now please look at the first picture here. Example 6. Tick the unit used to measure the following. One has been done for you. So there you can see the picture of a needle, right? First one is a needle. So needle, for measuring the weight of this needle, which unit we will use? mg is milligram, isn't it? Milligram, gram, and a kilogram. So when we will use milligram?
For small.
For the very lighter objects. For a very small unit of weight, we will use a milligram. So a needle is very small, right? Yes. So we can, it is already there. The tick mark is already there. It is a milligram. And what about the next picture?
Gram.
It is a hanger, right? So
Gram.
that we can use gram.
Gram. Gram.
So please put a tick mark. Gram.
Ma'am, gram means?
Gram means the unit we are using to measure the weight. Okay.
Ma'am.
And next one, bread slices are there.
Kilogram.
Bread slices also we
Kilogram.
will use gram.
Gram. Gram.
Or kilogram also we will use it. Okay. Gram or kilogram, both are right. Now turn the next page. Next page. Next page. Bread it is gram or kilogram. Both you can take, no problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
One more, please. Like my favorite.
One more. Yes.
Ma'am, gram. The bike is kilogram.
Okay. Now please take the next page. Page number 50. Leaves are there. Leaves.
This bike my favorite. Milligram. Ma'am, this bike is my favorite bike.
Okay. This leaves we will use gram. Okay. And what about the bike?
Kilogram.
Bike we will use kilogram. It is a heavy thing, right? It is a very heavy thing. So we will use kilogram.
Ma'am, one children said gram.
One child, not children.
Ma'am, the cycle have.
Hmm?
Ma'am, the cycle have very.
Yes, cycle also heavy. Cycle is also very heavy. So that also we will use kilogram. Okay. And after that, you please underline this one. Jewelers use grams to weigh ornaments. In the jewelry and all, have you seen that? Which unit they will use to weigh the ornaments? They are using gram. Okay. For the gold ornaments and all, we are using gram. So the next line is very important. 10 gram of jewelry is called a tola. Okay. 10 gram of jewelry. So 10 gram of jewelry is equal to tola. Please underline that sentence. And the next picture, have you seen the next picture? Bananas. Bananas, which unit we will use to measure?
Banana is my favorite. Banana is my favorite.
Yes. So which unit we will use to measure bananas?
Gram.
We will use kilogram. What about a car?
Kilogram.
Kilogram. Banana, we will use gram also. Both are right. And last one is a flour.
Milligram.
Yes, correct. It is milligram. Is Abel Anthony present today? Abel? Is Abel present? Huh? Yes or no?
No.
No. What about Naumika? Naumika? Lakshana? Lakshana is there? Lakshana, are you present or not? Lakshana present. Okay. Then Hamdan is there? Is Hamdan present? Yes. Then Lamis? Lamis, present or not? Lamis present. Prayaga Manoj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ryan is there. Sai Krishna present. Shisa also present. Vivek Kumar? No. Okay. So now These many things you have to study for the next class. Okay? Measurement of. Yes, Aman. I have marked the attendance. I have marked. Yes, yes, yes. So now it's a time up. So let's wind up today's class. Yes? Okay, so we will continue it in the next class. Okay, children. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.